Okay, so this is what it looks like. I finished doing the temporary fix. First I put a makeshift bushing. You can see it right, that is the black part over here, this that my finger is touching. This is the actual rod that connects here. This is the also another temporary fix that I did, which is with zip tie and the metal wire that is used to contain like big cables. So if the plastic goes out by the heat, which is unlikely, you still have the metal here. And here in this, it's like a little circle about that big, and this metal part here, it's like this, and the little metal circle goes like this. That makes complete sense. And I put a little piece of paper as a makeshift bushing, and it is free to maneuver even down over here, which is already stretching it a little bit, but now that you can see it even better and more clearly, you just push that in a little bit. But that's what it looks like, and it's a good temporary fix until when the real one comes. It will fit on top of the metal that goes through over here, and this will go on top of it, the same purpose that this little paper is doing. So I have two redundancies, sorry. So this is the actual fix, temporary bushing, and two redundancies over here. Fuck! Yeah! So it works perfectly fine. So this is three parts. You have the main console and these ones. These the side panels, they come off first, very easy. It's just like clack and clack. You just pull it up. See these little clips here, and then you remove these. So then you can place this, the center console on. And it's in this kind of motion that you pull it up in, and this has to be in the upright position as well. So I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, to mention, once these are removed, this has to be in drive, which is in drive now, and you can double check over here so that you can actually slide it in. Okay, no more flash because there is low battery. But at least the main thing is done. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I got it this far. This has to be in neutral actually, or it's in reverse, I guess. Then always foot on the brake, and the emergency brake is engaged already. So then this is free and this is free. Now this one, there is a zipper here. So you just, there you go, fits perfectly. You just need to push it in now, I guess. Yep. Very gently. Still need to do a little bit of maneuvering. I forgot that there is a cable. You need to plug in the cable. So put this back in reverse because this light here. Up. There we go, like this, and the whole thing comes up again. And it's this cable here that goes. Where does it go? Ah, it's right here, this little white thing here. Okay, it is plugged in. Make sure that it is it clicks in place, and then we can wiggle this back in its proper position. I need to remember not to force it. Okay, it's actually easy. Like when you've done it once, it's very easy, but you just need to figure out where all the points of, like, it's just mainly here and here and here. There's like two little anchors, and it's just like a tuck motion. So then this can go back. I'll do that. And then the side panels, which one is this? This is this side, so it has to go like this inside this little hole, like this. Slides into place very nicely, and you just pull it up. If you want to remove it, I think the guy did it from here like this. Yep. Don't worry about the sound. There's nothing. It just makes that sound. But of course, try and do it as gently as possible. You just pull it up from here. You try and use both hands. Obviously, I'm using one hand. And then simply click back into place. And then this one, okay, of course this is left and right, goes over here. Move the wire out of the way. Puck, done. Fantastic. And then we can screw this back on. Takes a while. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Very nice. And then, whoops, see, need to be careful here. Okay, it's fine. And then this goes on here. Takes a while. Oh, we can put it into park at least. I don't need to hit my foot on the brake anymore. There we go. Just test it. This needs to clip back. Tack, done. Oh, beautiful. I can turn on so you can see this at least. You can hear it, the makeshift, but it does the job. And then now I just need to put this one back, which is a little bit of a pain, but anyway. Okay, all done. Everything works great. No issues. I'm still waiting for the little bushing to come. And yeah, I suggest you looking online to try and find the one for you, but it's quite simple. It's pretty straightforward. Yeah, easy temporary fix until you get the proper bushing that just sticks onto it. The bushing will go on here, and then you just put the little hook which holds it in place. And what else? That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and stay cool.